Did you know that nearly 70% of college graduates leave school with some form of student debt? It's a huge burden, but understanding your income reporting can help you save big. Student loans can be overwhelming, and it's easy to feel like you're drowning in debt. But what if I told you there's a way to transform your student loan savings today? It starts with understanding the power of income reporting. In today's video, we're going to dive into 3 game-changing secrets that will help you maximize your student loan savings. It's time to take control of your finances and start building a brighter financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how income reporting can save you thousands of dollars. You'll learn how to optimize your loan payments and start achieving your long-term financial goals. Let's get started on this journey to financial freedom. One of the most important things you need to understand when it comes to student loans is that income reporting is key. It's not just about making payments on time, it's about making smart financial decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Today, we're going to break down the top 3 income reporting secrets that will help you transform your student loan savings. Whether you're just starting out or you've been paying off your loans for years, these secrets will give you the tools you need to take control of your finances. Are you ready to start saving big? Let's dive into secret number 1. This one is a total game changer. It's all about understanding how your income reporting affects your loan repayment strategy. By making a few simple adjustments, you can save thousands of dollars over the life of your loan. The key is to optimize your loan payments based on your income. By doing so, you'll be able to pay off your loans faster and save more money in the long run. It's a simple concept, but it can make a huge difference in your financial future. I've seen it time and time again. People who understand the power of income reporting are able to pay off their loans faster and start building wealth sooner. It's not rocket science, but it does require a bit of strategy and planning. For example, let's say you're making $50,000 a year, and you have a student loan with an interest rate of 6%. By optimizing your loan payments based on your income, you could save over $10,000 in interest payments over the life of the loan. That's a huge difference. But that's not all. By implementing these income reporting secrets, you'll also be able to qualify for lower interest rates and more favorable loan terms. It's a win-win situation. I've worked with countless people who have been able to transform their student loan savings using these exact strategies. One of my clients, Rachel, was able to save over $20,000 in interest payments by optimizing her loan payments based on her income. Another client, John, was able to pay off his loans 5 years ahead of schedule by implementing these income reporting secrets. The results are staggering, and I know you can achieve similar results. But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the freedom and confidence that comes with taking control of your finances. When you understand how to optimize your income reporting, you'll feel empowered to make smart financial decisions that will benefit you for years to come. So, what are the common pitfalls to avoid when it comes to income reporting? One of the biggest mistakes people make is not understanding how their income affects their loan payments. By not taking this into account, you could end up paying more in interest over the life of your loan. Another common mistake is not adjusting your loan payments based on changes in your income. For example, if you get a promotion and your income increases, you should adjust your loan payments accordingly. This will help you save even more money over the life of your loan. By avoiding these common pitfalls and implementing the income reporting secrets we've discussed, you'll be able to transform your student loan savings and start building a brighter financial future. But here's something that might surprise you: most people don't realize that income reporting can also affect their credit score. By making smart financial decisions and optimizing your loan payments, you'll be able to improve your credit score and qualify for better loan terms. It's a ripple effect, and it starts with understanding the power of income reporting. So, what's the takeaway? Income reporting is not just about making loan payments, it's about building a solid financial foundation that will benefit you for years to come. By implementing these 3 income reporting secrets, you'll be able to transform your student loan savings and start achieving your long-term financial goals. Remember, it's not just about paying off your loans, it's about building wealth and securing your financial future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you have any questions or comments, please let me know in the section below. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and tricks, and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest content.